Hey people, so one of the finest documentaries I've seen in a long time is called The Ripper, and it is on Netflix, and I call it the finest because it will get make you get goosebumps. Yeah, now very rarely do we get goosebumps on watching a documentary, but this particular documentary is about the serial killer that was there in the Yorkshire area in London, and he was responsible for more than 14 murders. So it's quite when you watch this documentary on Netflix, you will be like, oh my God, it's the way they've interviewed this whole set of people. It's unlike any documentary I've watched in a long time. So you can catch it on Netflix. It's called The Ripper, and it is one of its kind. And this is already a 1 minute review, and I'll catch you all in my next video. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.